Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious recipe. Mini Chile Rellenos with sweet pepper that I know you are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These delicious mini chile rellenos, these are the ingredients. I have chicken bouillon, black pepper, panela cheese, sweet peppers, a large half an onion, tomatoes, eggs, and cilantro. This is everything we need to prepare these amazing and delicious chile rellenos. So let's get started. I want to start by roasting my mini peppers. These sweet peppers are so delicious that, of course, I am sure you're going to love these mini chile rellenos. And here I have my tomatoes. I am going to slice them. I am going to add some water, and then I'm going to take it to the stove and cook them. Of course, I'm going to add 1/4 of an onion, and I can't forget 2 garlic cloves. And now I'm going to dice my onion. I'm going to put it aside. I'm going to continue with my cilantro or coriander. And I can't wait to start making these amazing mini peppers, mini chile rellenos. Let's start flipping our mini peppers. We need them nice and roasted. The aroma that they're leaving behind, oh my gosh, you could really smell the roasting peppers. Once they're nice and roasted, I'm going to remove them, put them in a little bag, and now I'm ready to start cooking my tomato to make this amazing salsa. Don't forget your garlic cloves. Once it's nice and soft, then you're gonna turn off the heat and just let it rest to come to room temperature. Of course, I have my panela cheese here that I am already slicing so that I could stuff my mini sweet peppers with this delicious panela cheese. Now I'm ready to get all the peppers out and start taking all the skin off. This is the part that really takes a long time, but believe me, once you make these sweet chili peppers, you are going to really fall in love with them, making your mini chile rellenos. And of course, I am ready to start stuffing them. These sweet peppers don't have too many seeds, so it's okay. You don't need to remove the seeds. Just fill them and be very generous with the filling of your panela cheese. I'm separating my whites and my yolks because I am going to really cover these cheese, these mini peppers, with the amazing egg. I am ready to start mixing the white really good until they're nice and fluffy. And when you start making this, make sure that you have a pan with vegetable oil getting nice and hot. I'm adding the yolks. I'm going to continue blending. And one tip I want to give you is add at least half a cup of all-purpose flour to your mini peppers so that the egg really sticks to the mini peppers. It really doesn't take too long. When you least expect it, these mini chile rellenos are ready to enjoy. I am going to enjoy them with white garlic rice that you already have on my channel. And here I'm gonna dip them into the egg and start adding them into the hot oil. That's exactly what you want. You want your oil to be nice and hot so that they start cooking really fast and they do not absorb too much vegetable oil. They are so delicious that I am sure you're going to love this amazing Mexican recipe. I'm going to continue making the rest, but I have a plate with some napkins to take the excessive oil out. And I'm going to continue with my mini peppers, my mini chile rellenos. Once they are done, then I'm adding a little bit of vegetable oil in another pan. I'm going to saute the onion. When it starts releasing the aroma and the flavor, then I am ready to add the salsa we made with the tomatoes, the onion, and the garlic. I'm going to cook it in medium heat so that all those flavors really get nice and intense, and the salsa really obtain all the amazing flavor of the onion. This part is very important. You want to cook this salsa in medium heat. Look at this. It's nice and thick, and that's exactly how you want it. You want all those flavors to really get nice and intense. So now when it's bubbling, I'm going to add my black pepper, my chicken bouillon, and I am just going to mix it in. When it starts bubbling, I am ready to add my mini chile rellenos. Look at this. Remember, cook the sauce in medium heat. It's gonna get nice and thick and delicious. And the aroma, oh my gosh, it's amazing. Now I'm ready to add my mini chile rellenos, and I'm just gonna cook them for about 3 minutes, no more than that. And then you are ready to enjoy. Remember to add your cilantro at the end. I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this mini chile rellenos with those sweet peppers. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I added some white rice with garlic that of course you guys have already that delicious recipe on my channel. But let me taste this. This comes out delicious with the sweet peppers. I don't want to continue talking, excuse me. Amazing. These mini sweet peppers come out delicious. The flavor of the sauce, just perfection, made at home. If you like and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you didn't, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing mini chile rellenos stuffed with lots of cheese, and be generous with your cheese. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.